How to recover deleted photos from Messenger, 2026. Deleted important photos from Messenger and want them back? Don't worry. Here are the best ways to try recovering them. If this helps, like the video and subscribe for more Messenger tips. Let's get started. First, understand this. If a photo is deleted only from your chat view, it may still exist in other places like Facebook data, phone gallery, or the other person's chat. 1. Check the conversation again, open Messenger, and go to the chat where the photo was sent. Tap the person's name at the top, then open Media, Files, and Links. Sometimes the photo is still there, even if it disappeared from the main chat. Number 2. Ask the other person. If you deleted the photo only from your side, the other person may still have it. Ask them to resend the picture or take a screenshot. This is often the fastest solution. 3. Download your Facebook data. Facebook may store shared media in your account data. Go to Facebook Settings, your Facebook information, download your information. Select Messages, Photos, and Videos. Request the download and wait for Facebook to prepare the file. Then check if your deleted Messenger photo is included. Number 4. Check your phone gallery or backup. Sometimes photos are automatically saved to Gallery, Google Photos, iCloud Photos, File Manager. Also check your recently deleted folder. You may find the photo there. Number 5. Reinstall Messenger. Sometimes media disappears because of sync issues. Try logging out, reinstalling Messenger, logging back in. This may restore missing photos if they still exist on Facebook servers. Number 6. Avoid fake recovery apps. Don't trust random Messenger recovery apps. Most are fake and may steal your Facebook login information. Pro tip. Turn on automatic photo saving in Messenger for future protection so important photos stay in your gallery. Quick recap. Check chat media, ask the sender, download Facebook data, check gallery backup, reinstall app, avoid fake apps. That's how you can try recovering deleted photos from Messenger. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe for more Facebook and Messenger tutorials. Comment below. Was it an old memory, important document, or personal photo you were trying to recover?